What if I told you a tiny fleet of drones could summon rain, clear up wildfires, or stop a hurricane in its tracks? This isn't a Marvel movie. This is real tech rolling out right now. Weather control on demand. Imagine this. It's 110 degrees, drought is ravaging the west, and suddenly, clouds appear, rain pours down, and a fleet of robotic drones disappear into the mist. No more Dust Bowl, no more parched earth. Sounds like science fiction? Guess again. Right now, scientists and engineers in China, the US, the UAE, and Australia are unleashing swarms of autonomous drones designed to manipulate the weather. Cloud seeding from the sky 24/7 at the push of a button. Could a drone army end droughts forever? Or cause a weather war? Let's go back. Cloud seeding isn't new. In the 1940s, scientists flew planes into clouds and dropped silver iodide or dry ice to trigger rain. But it was hit or miss, expensive and risky. Fast forward to now. Precision swarms of AI-guided drones target specific clouds with pinpoint accuracy, releasing just enough particles to create rain exactly where you want it. Dubai has already used drone swarms to make rain in the desert. The footage? Wild. Clouds light up with electric zaps as tiny drones fire bursts of ionized particles, and then rain falls on the world's hottest city. This is weather hacking, real, raw, and rapidly scaling up. What happens when every billionaire city can order its own weather on demand? Imagine a future where Burning Man is never rained out, where wildfire smoke in California is cleared overnight by a drone strike, literally airstrikes of moisture to break up the haze. And it gets crazier. In China, Tianhe is a weather modification program using more than 30,000 cloud seeding machines and drone units to increase rainfall over farmlands the size of Texas. In the UAE, cloud seeding drones have dropped rainfall by 35% in water-scarce regions. Could this tech end global hunger or unleash an eco-disaster? But here's the dark side. Who controls the weather controls the world. What happens when two neighboring countries both want rain but there's only one storm? What if a rogue nation seeds clouds so their crops thrive, but it causes drought for their neighbors? Some scientists warn that drone-powered weather wars are not just possible, they might be inevitable. In 2018, farmers in India accused a neighboring region of stealing their monsoon with illegal cloud seeding. Lawsuits, protests, and conspiracy theories exploded. Now scale that up. Imagine two superpowers fighting over rainfall, with fleets of AI drones dueling in the sky. Are we on the edge of the first weather arms race? And what about ethics? Should private companies be allowed to sell rain, literally charging for precipitation? In California, startups are already marketing weather as a service, promising to end drought for a price. Would you pay for rain at your wedding or to save your farm? What if only the rich could afford perfect weather? We used to joke about weather machines in Bond movies. Now you can order a cloud on demand with an app. Would you trust Amazon Prime Rain? What happens if the tech glitches, accidentally floods a city, or triggers a snowstorm in June? These aren't just regular drones. They're built with super tough shells to withstand lightning, equipped with AI that analyzes wind, humidity, and even air pollution in real time. Some even fire electrical charges into the clouds, simulating natural lightning to trigger rainfall. Science so advanced it looks like magic. Could we use this to end wildfires for good? Researchers in Australia are testing drones that fly into smoke clouds, analyze conditions, and instantly trigger rainfall over hotspots. Imagine a future where fire season is solved by a drone air force. If we can make rain anywhere, what does that mean for climate change? On one hand, massive potential to green the deserts, refill reservoirs, grow food, and cool down cities. On the other, could we accidentally break the weather, messing up entire ecosystems with too much or too little rain? Are we playing God with the climate? Or finally leveling up as a species? Artists are already dreaming up drone weather ballets. Imagine a sky filled with glowing drones painting rainbows, summoning clouds as a performance. Could future concerts have weather designers as headliners? Will climate protests use drones to make it rain, literally washing away pollution from city streets? What if everyone had access? Open source groups are building DIY cloud seeding drones. Will weather hacking be the next TikTok trend? Imagine viral challenges where cities compete to make the wildest weather. Rain Bomb Challenge 2030. Could a drone swarm end a hurricane before it hits land? Researchers are running simulations. Could you zap a hurricane's eye with thousands of rain drones, breaking it up and saving millions of lives? But the risks are huge. If one city makes it rain, does another get drought? If a company owns the rain, does anyone else have rights to the sky? Who controls the clouds? Controls the future. So, is this the best invention ever, or the start of climate chaos? From saving crops and ending wildfires to the risk of weather wars, hacked clouds, and selling rain to the highest bidder, cloud seeding drones are pushing us into the wildest era of weather control humanity has ever known. Are you ready for a world where tomorrow's forecast is written by a fleet of AI drones? And whoever pays the most? The future isn't just in the clouds, it's controlling them.